Silametia Baba Yajule Benero Ubaraganero.
Viva, and it's about cultures from around the world coming together.
We're a community that's been living in Melbourne for the last 27 years now, and we originate from the Horn of Africa, and we're a very, very nice bunch of people, I guess.
Nice.
Are you guys ready to see them perform? Please put your hands together to welcome the Oromo community. Thank you.
Namagalani, Zamara Oromo, Namagalani.
Yes, I, ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Oromo Community. Yes, I, nice. Yes. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we want to say thank you to all of you for coming along today.